Okay, this is the old pump. I'm pointing to the 1.5 power, if I can find it again. Horsepower, 1.5. So it's a 1.5 horsepower pump, which we've been using for 25 years. This is the third one that I've replaced 3 of them because, you know, they wear out. I keep the pump and replace the motor. Replace the seals, but now this thing was getting old. It's starting to leak a little bit, so I decided to change the whole thing, and that's that.
Okay.
This is a 20 micron filter. I replaced it with a 50 micron filter to make it so that the pump would have less trouble. It had more power, and that's that for the filter.
Action.
All right, this is the pool. The way the spa is working now is the way it should work, with a little waterfall, very nice. In the corner there is one of the returns where when we refill the pump, you'll see the bubbles come out over there. There's one over here and 2 down there. But this is the one we usually watch to see bubbles. You can see right now there are no bubbles coming out of anywhere in the pool. Now I'm going to change. All right, let's go in here and we'll change the valves.
Pause. Action.
This is the valve to the spa, and that's the valve to the pool. If you notice that I've diverted a lot of the water from the pool into the spa, that creates the waterfall. I've had to do that because the pump is not strong enough to make the waterfall on its own. So what I'll do now is I'll just turn this the way it's supposed to be, and we'll wait a little bit and see what happens to the waterfall.
Action.
All the valving you hear, all this piping is original, it's all professional. When we moved in over 20 years ago, this was all here. You can see how it's laid out, it's very professional. The only thing that I've done is from here on to connect up the pumps. So that's what this is all about. Okay.
Action.
All right, there's the pump, there's the cover, glass cover with all the bubbles churning around. With the old pump, you can see everything was full of water. It was nice and quiet. Now no bubbles. Now over here we have 3 valves. One valve is like for a vacuum system to clean the pool, the bottom of the pool, which we never use. It's always off. Then you have the skimmer, and you have the return from the main pool. Now I'm going to turn these off. I want you to watch that. I'm going to turn this one off, and you see that nothing has changed in there. It's not like there's any air leak or anything. Nothing has changed. I'll put this back. Now I'm going to do the next one. Same thing. Nothing has changed. No difference in the air bubbles. I'll turn this back. Now this one here is all of these valves go into this and go into the pump. The other side is for the spa. And when this thing turns, it'll shut all this off and then have a return to the spa. All right, cut. I'm going to go in and I'm going to turn on the spa. See the valves turning? It's switching over to the spa. Now look at the cover. See, nothing has changed. It's not in the spa yet. Still going, still going. All right, now that's fully turned over the input to the spa. All the rest has been shut down. This is now just turn around and show the spa bubbling away. The spa is working. And also show now, well you